Again, we've done a lot of these problems, and I'm not going to go through all the detail, but there is some milestones down for you. So this would be equal to S. The footnote 221, it says it's second order, so it makes it easier for me. So I write down AX S, and I write down BX squared S. And we've done many of these before. I do that, combine them, and then I want things to disappear. But my main goal over here is to figure out what the A and the B is. And you're supposed to do that because we've done other examples. Does it require work? You're not kidding, it requires work. So your first milestone is after, doing that is, looking at this thing over here, doing these steps over here, adding them together, making sure things disappearing, so simultaneous equation with A and a B in it. You should be able to get to here, but I can't enough times. It's work. It isn't like I look and say, oh, gee whiz, that's what it is. No, this took work. Am I showing the work or doing the work for you? No. We've done enough problems prior to do that. What's the next thing was that partial fraction decomposition over here. Is that work? Yeah, but it's not a lot of work. It's kind of easy to do, all right? Was the interval convergence for that? Well, the 4x is the worst thing there, so it's going to be between -1/4 and 1/4, all right? Then put the general term down, and generally speaking, how do I do that? Well, I want to, really detailed examples already of going through that. I'm hoping you're able to follow that and then imitate that. Now, granted, you may say I have a better way of doing it. The bottom line, yeah, maybe you do, but the bottom line is that's what AN is, with the understanding that N starts at 1. So N equals 1, yada, yada, yada. All right? Starts at 1 and goes forward. Right? That's what I want to do. But I can't say this enough time. This takes work. A problem like this, I'm going to say, even if you're speedy, it's about 20 minutes worth of work. All right? So be aware of that. There's work involved here. Do people make mistakes? They do. That's why we give you some milestones along the way. What are the milestones? The first thing is just to get the fraction. That's the first milestone you want to meet. The next milestone you meet partial fractions, and then the nth term. Understand that we're starting at n equals 1, and that's typical for most people. They want to start at 1. All right? Thank you.